it's Brooke with WTI.
If you're looking for a dresser to keep you organized and have a beautiful space, especially in your bedroom like this one, I like this by ZORPLIX, this 10 drawer dresser. It is this gorgeous white modern dresser that is not overwhelming to look at, and it brightens up my dark room. Super convenient for all my clothing. Both my husband and I share this. It's great for durability, and even if I spill on it, because of this high gloss finish, my dresser stays in prime condition. I love the amount of clothes that it holds. All these drawers get utilized. Both me and my husband use this dresser, and it makes our clutter look clean. I love the texture. You can really see here how beautiful and modern, but also practical. The size is 55 inches long dresser, and with these full drawers, I can even get bigger things like jeans and my sweaters in there, and then it really is useful. So I appreciate how easy these drawers slide open and close, and it has an anti-tip device to hold it and secure if you keep the top drawers open or you want to open the top part. I also like that this handle here, this nice textured smooth groove handle, allows me to open and close it very easily. This was very easy for me to put together, a very fun project, and it only took me a little time, one day, a couple hours, and voila, I had the greatest addition to my bedroom.
We love it, but that's just my point of view.